guys, welcome back to our channel. We're actually on our way to Las Vegas, and we haven't been since February, so it's the end of May now, and we're going 2 nights to stay at the Golden Nugget downtown.
Yep.
So we love that place. Okay, you guys, we were actually able to check in early, which was wonderful. It's 12:30, and the tip is if you do any kind of room upgrade, they will waive the check-in fee, which is it like 25 bucks?
I think so.
Yeah, so, there's something to that. So we are in the Rush Tower. So here is the bathroom. Very nice tub. Hopefully the pressure's okay. Looks very clean. Nice vanity.
Yeah.
The 2 sinks. Huge mirror. And a separate room for the toilet, which is always kind of nice. Ooh, nice closet. I like the doors.
Nice big closet.
Oh, it is. Huge. Really good size. Nice. And as you can see, it's a pretty nice size room. I mean, not huge, but beds look nice. The wallpaper is in good shape and everything. Carpet
all looks good.
Seems okay. Fridge, is it cold?
Yes.
Oh, great.
Yep.
They do have a Keurig in the room.
And waters.
4 full-size waters, which is nice.
Safe.
Really looks like a nice TV. Safe, which is always good in Vegas. A couple chairs, a little seating area. And it's kind of cloudy and hazy today, but we actually have a very good view, which is nice because last time we were really low.
Yes.
So here's our room here at Golden Nugget in downtown Las Vegas, and be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video and we'll let you know what we think. Hey you guys, we wanted to give you our final thoughts on our room at Golden Nugget in downtown Vegas, and we really like staying there.
Yeah, it is an awesome hotel.
It really is, and our room was fantastic. Starting off with check-in, and we may have mentioned this, but make sure you wait and go to a live person up at the desk. They really are pushing like hard.
Yeah.
For you to go to a kiosk, and our experience has been that you just don't end up, really being able to, say you want a higher floor and avoid an early check-in charge and all of the above. And I mean, that guy was aggressive.
He was,
but,
and I just know that you're going to get automatically charged an early check-in and everything else, and get whatever floor they assign you to. So
yeah,
it's important there to be on a higher floor.
It is. Last time, February, right?
Yeah.
We were on what's called the 5th floor.
Yeah.
But it was kind of like the first floor. We were looking out at the roof and air conditioner. It was the worst view ever. So this time we were on the 22nd floor, which was great.
View of the Strip.
And we always want to be facing away from Fremont on that side, just so you know.
Yeah. The Tranquility side.
Yeah, Tranquility side in the Rush Tower. So our room, as you saw, was very nice, very nicely appointed, comfy bed,
great beds,
great TV,
great pillows.
Yeah, all the bedding I thought was very nice. and the Wi-Fi worked great. So I could stream on the freebie, you know, no problem. And air conditioner worked well, and it was pretty quiet.
Yeah,
too,
it was really
to
quiet.
Some of the
Yeah.
we've had, so
Yeah.
wasn't knocking all night or
No,
cycling
really quiet.
weirdly or anything. I would say again, the water pressure wasn't great in the shower. It was better than Sahara, but still, you know, just not a ton of pressure. It got really hot.
Yeah.
And they only had, as you saw, like the rain head. So ladies, you know, if you don't want to wash your hair and you have your hair like up in a bun trying to keep it dry, no matter what I did, I got my hair wet. I could not.
Bring a shower cap.
Yeah, I guess I have to go back to the old like school shower cap my mom used to wear. So that actually is a really good idea. I don't know where I'd find one of those. But yeah, so anyways, but you know, got hot, and the room was just very comfortable. I
It
thought.
was, you know, and amenity wise, the refrigerator worked great.
True.
Good size, really nice Keurig coffee maker.
Yes, which
Four
we like.
4 waters, 4 cups of coffee.
Yeah. And you know, the parking structure is so convenient to the rush tower.
Yeah.
You're not like, you know, dragging your luggage to the casino, or I hate
Right,
that.
right, just
you know?
right into the elevator.
Yeah, it makes it really nice. And you do have to use your room key to get up, you know, in the elevator, which just for security reasons, you know, I think is really good too. But we loved our stay.
Yeah, and you know, the parking garage is impressive because once you register your license plate, you just go and leave and you never get charged. As long as you're a guest there, you don't see any garage charges, which, you know, parking is usually $25 a night, I think, $50 on weekends.
Right, and it could just be a pain, but since, you know, we had stayed here before, it already knew we were there, which is kind of scary.
Yeah, I know. You pull in and I get a text that says, "Welcome to the Golden Nugget."
Yeah, I mean, it's a little Big Brother-ish,
Yeah.
but it is convenient.
Yeah,
I will say that.
It's impressive.
Yeah, so we really enjoyed our stay at Golden Nugget.
Yeah.
Enjoyed our room. Let us know if you stayed there, what you think, and if you have other ideas on where to stay. You know, we've only stayed, a few different places downtown. We're just been kind of going back to the same places, but we're always looking for new ideas and new restaurants and all the above.
Yeah. You know, and I think one last thought on the Golden Nugget, and we always talk about this, their housekeeping is great. I called them in the morning and they came right away. Fresh towels, extra towels. They do a great job. The room is so clean. The room is so clean.
Agree. And extra waters.
And extra waters, 4 waters is really good.
Yeah. So let us know if you have any thoughts on Golden Nugget in downtown Vegas. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, we appreciate your support, and we will see you on the next one.